Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can create this really cool aesthetic city video edit in CapCut PC. So I'm just going to search for a city here, and I'm just going to kind of place it up here just a little bit, copy and paste it, and then rotate it twice and reflect it. And then I'm just going to place that there. Then I'm going to go to text, and I'm going to add in a default text. And I'm just going to type in the word Tokyo, Japan. Oops. Then I'm going to select a font. I like to select the Arial bold italic one, and I'm just going to place it where the reflection is placed. Copy and paste that, and then right click, create compound clip. Rotate it and then mirror it again, and I'm just going to place it here. Actually, I think I'm just going to remove the, oops, sorry. I'm just going to remove the comma, because I don't really like it. So I'm just going to do Tokyo instead. Don't forget to mirror it. I feel like that's not big enough. Hold on. There we go. Copy and paste, create compound clip, rotate it like that, and mirror it. Go to blend mode and adjust the opacity. And what I like to do is I like to go to filters, and I am going to search for the black and white filter. And I'm just going to place it on top like so. And that is it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!